MS Ramaya University of Applied Sciences.
Hi students, today we'll perform test for purity. Aim to carry out the swelling power of bentonite. Experimental setup, apparatus required, beaker, antical balance, measuring cylinders, butter paper and stainless steel spatula. Chemicals and reagents required are bentonite and sodium lauryl sulfate. Principle: bentonite occurs as a very fine, pale, buff or cream colored powder, odorless, free from grittiness with earthy taste. It is insoluble in almost all the solvents, but swells up to about 12 times its volume when added to water. Due to its property, the compound is used as an emulsifying agent or suspending agent. The swelling power or absorption property is tested by dropping the compound in divided portions into 100 ml of sodium lauryl sulfate taken in a 100 ml of measuring cylinder. Each portion is allowed to get settled before the next is added. Bentonite swells at the bottom and it should occupy an appropriate volume of not less than 24 ml. Experimental procedure: add 2 grams in 20 portions at the interval of 2 minutes to 100 ml of a 1% weight by volume solution of sodium lauryl sulfate in a 100 ml graduated cylinder about 3 cm in diameter. Allow each portion to settle before adding the next and let it stand for 2 hours. The apparent volume of the sediment at the bottom of the cylinder is not less than 24 ml. Result or conclusion: the given sample of the bentonite as occupied tick appropriately more or less than the volume of 24 ml. Conclusion: the given sample has a very good swelling power or not. Write the appropriate answer.
Hi students, the title of the experiment is Swelling Power of Bentonite. The aim of the experiment is to carry out the swelling power of bentonite. The chemicals required for this experiment are bentonite powder, in which we are going to check the swelling power of bentonite. Sodium lauryl sulfate solution, which is used as a media for checking the swelling power of bentonite. The apparatus required for this experiment are 100 ml volume measuring cylinder, a butter paper, a spatula, and antical balance for weighing. Now we'll start the experiment. The first step is to weigh bentonite. 2 grams of bentonite is weighed. Nullify the weight of the butter paper, then weigh approximately 2 grams of bentonite. Weighing approximately 2 grams of the bentonite. Divide the bentonite into 20 equal parts. It is divided into 20 equal parts. After dividing the sample into 20 equal parts, now in an 100 ml measuring cylinder, take 100 ml of sodium lauryl sulfate solution. Now add one part of the bentonite into the measuring cylinder. Allow it to swell up. It may take 5 to 10 minutes. Gently tap the sides of the measuring cylinder so that the bentonite starts settling at the bottom of the measuring cylinder. After 5 minutes, add the second part of the bentonite. Similarly, tap gently on the sides of the measuring cylinder, and this process is continued until the entire amount of bentonite is added. After the complete addition of the bentonite into the sodium lauryl sulfate solution, allow the measuring cylinder to stand for 2 hours. After 2 hours, check the apparent volume of the sediment at the bottom of the measuring cylinder. It should be more than 24 ml as per the given pharmacopoeial specification. The given sample shows the sediment volume more than 24 ml, hence the given sample has a very good swelling power. This completes the experiment, swelling power of bentonite.
At MSR UAS, we spark your imagination unlike any other.